Guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna be showing off this slime. Now I need to, you guys need to go check out Imaree Clean.
Hyperventilating after opening his horizon.
The links will be down in the description.
Switch to Sprint and save 50%.
Plus, I got a new Samsung phone for 50% off.
Get the best price for unlimited. Sprint works for me.
Hey everyone, it's Heather. So since this week's theme on 7 Perfect Angels,
And I will be right back. Hi guys, I'm back, and I just got back, but I'm going to the store, and I didn't film there because I didn't want to, and I came back, and this was sitting on my desk.
Okay, so after that jam session,
after I flung it, well, like I didn't bring it, but I had it.
I don't even know.
Like,
I just got a bunch of different samples.
I was only gone, like I didn't go to the actual store, you know what I mean? I just went, we had to take a walk real quick, like we had to go down to Kurt Buyer, because my mom was there with a snack for all of us, and I already ate my snack, so my mom is actually her place right now, and I come back, and this is here, and I love my slime,
and by this time it's around 9:30, so it's time for bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and good night.
Look.
I'm just kidding. Who goes to bed at 9:30? After the whole summer I've been staying up till midnight, how am I supposed to go to bed like 2.5 hours before? But you know what? It's fine. So then I talked to my friends for a little bit longer, and then I realized that I have not yet set my alarm for school. Actually, make that alarms. I have 5 different alarms that I wake up to in the morning because, or else I don't think I'd be able to get up. So anyway, guys, for reals now, I'm going to bed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Okay, now after playing with it for a little bit, it's kind of getting a better slime.
I really hope you guys enjoyed my video this week.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed my video this week, and chance to get a possible shout out in next week's video. Comment down below what your favorite ice cream flavor is. Love you guys. Bye.